Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to introduce you into Google Keep application. So basically Google Keep application is application that can help you creating a simple notes that is developed by Google company. So the good things from this application is this application is connected to your Google account, so you can access this application in every devices, every time and everywhere. So here you just need you don't need to worry to lose every single notes that you have been created just because you change your device, as well as you remember about the username or the email address as well as the pin of your Google account. You can still access them. So here, if you want to start creating the notes, you just need to tap into this plus button. They could be give you this option. The first one could be the title, so it can make you easier to find what notes that you have been created. Make sure that the title is quite specific so that it can be helping you to know what exactly the notes is about. And then the second one is the body. It's the place where you can like adding the information that you want to put there to remind you about what you just write on the notes. And right after you're done adjusting everything, you just need to go back and then it could be automatically saved. I already create many notes here, so you can just try by yourself on your mobile phone. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you still have some questions, just drop in the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you find this channel is really helping you, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and let's make it into other tutorial.